Sometimes in English, a sentence will start with there are or there is, and the there in these cases is referred to as an expletive, which in this instance is not a swear word. Sometimes that's what it refers to. So how do we diagram these cases? Well, what we actually do is we put there on its own line, interestingly enough, because it's not really doing much in the sentence except for basically just starting it. And then the rest of the sentence is diagrammed by itself. So we have to do a bit of rejigging. So in this case, solutions is our subject and our verb is are. And then we have some modifiers. So we have two possible solutions. And then the last thing to figure out is, well, what do we do with this prepositional phrase? Typically in these instances, you have two options. So in some cases, what you would do is you would take the prepositional phrase, right? So you have are, and then you would basically treat it as a predicate adjective or predicate nominative, and you would put it on a pedestal after the are. So kind of like this, and you would write to this problem. And I won't write this all out because it's hard to fit, but you could see how this works. So the question then is always, do you feel that this prepositional phrase is redescribing solutions? Is it renaming, redescribing the subject like after a linking verb? Or does it work a little bit different, more like a traditional prepositional phrase? And in this case, I would say the latter is probably true. I'm not entirely convinced that to this problem is really redescribing solutions. So let's put it under the line instead. Okay, so to this problem. And often that's what will happen with these expletives is if there is a prepositional phrase at the end, it often tends to go underneath the line. That's it for there, which is an expletive.